So all the plants are capital R, small r, a round gene and a wrinkle gene. Which will express itself? The one which is dominant. Which is dominant? Round. So all plants will produce round seeds. All plants will produce round seeds. That means in F1, so what is this? Are these haploid or diploid? Definitely they are diploid, because there are two genes to control a character. What is a character? What is the character? Shape of seed. Is it clear? And there are two genes, round and wrinkle. Genes can be in same form or different form. I'll be giving you the terms for it, but let us first see the cross. Is it all right? Now this is F1 generation. This is generation. Okay, now after F1 generation, what do? We take up one plant. Okay, we take the male part of it, and let me show you a little bit this side. We take up one particular plant. Okay, we take a male part of it, capital R, small r, okay, and a female. That means one we have taken anther, another we have taken the pistil, all right, where the egg cells are ribbed. So this will produce pollen, this will produce egg cell. So by this is of course diploid, all right. Now here, what are the gametes of this? This is capital R, small r. This is of course diploid. This is diploid. This is diploid. Okay. This is capital R, small r, capital R, small r. Okay. Now again, this fuses. This is F1 generation. These are the gametes of F1 generation. Gametes of F1 generation. Is it all right? F1 generation. Now they fuse. Is it this? If this is the female gamete, this is the male gamete, or just the, if this is the male gamete, this is the female gamete. Is it? So what do? We draw a Punnett square. Okay. Place this gamete one side and this gamete the other side. It should be drawn little below, since I do not have space and I want to fit in everything over here. So I am doing like this. Capital R, small r should be drawn below. Capital R, capital R, capital R, small r. Capital R, small r, I told you we write the dominant character first, and small r, small r. Is it okay? So what are the four plants we have, what are the four kinds of seeds we have received? Capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, small r, small r. Is it all right? So all these will be round. This is the definitely round, both are round. One is here round, another is wrinkle. Round will express itself more because this is dominant character. Is it all right? So these all are round, and this is what is wrinkle. Fine. Okay, so here this is, and what are these? These are the gametes, and this becomes F2 generation. This is what, these are the plants of F2 generation. Repeating, children, this should be drawn little below. It should not be drawn in between. Is it? Since I am lacking the space, that is why I have drawn between. It should be drawn below, leaving 3-4 lines. All right. Now here I will be giving you the terms. Here I will be giving you the terms. We are finding here three kinds of seeds: capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, small r, small r. Okay. So one thing we will see that to control a character in an organism, there is present a pair of gene. Repeating once more, to control a character, chahe wo, like it can be the shape of the seed, or it can be the height of the plant, or it can be the color of the flower. So whatever it is, in an organism there is a pair of gene. Is it all right? So this pair of gene controlling a particular character is known as allele. A pair of gene controlling a particular character. Now if I write round and tall, these are not allele because it is controlling the shape of the seed and this is controlling the height. These are not allele. If the same characteristic is controlled, those we call as alleles. So this is allele. There are a pair of gene controlling a character. This is allele. Why these R and R are alleles? Because they are the pair of gene controlling the same character. What is the same character? The shape of the seed. Is it clear? Maybe in different form, and these are also alleles because they are a pair of gene controlling same character. Is it all right? So these are known as similar alleles. Similar alleles. Is it clear? Usually allelic term when we are referring to dissimilar, but alleles are the pair of genes controlling a particular character. Not necessary they have to be in alternative form. They can be in same form also. Is it all right? RR, this is dissimilar allele. The allelic pair is there. That means they both are controlling the seed color, shape of the seed, but one is controlling the round, another is controlling the wrinkle shape. Is it clear? So they are dissimilar. Again, same here, these are similar alleles. You know, all the experiments can be the laws rather, whenever we are talking about the laws, they will be explained in dissimilar alleles because it is easy to understand. Similar alleles we cannot explain. When I explain the laws, you will understand this. Is it all right? Similar alleles are known as homozygous. Is it? These are homozygous. This character is homozygous. Just a minute. The character controlled by, is it all right? Similar alleles are homozygous. Characters controlled by similar alleles are homozygous, and character controlled by dissimilar allele is heterozygous. Stick to this, we will now be using the terms. Is it all right? Now, what we will say, this is homozygous round, this is homozygous wrinkle. Is it all right? These are heterozygous round. See, what is the difference? This is what is the difference? Ravi, what is the difference? What is the difference? Capital R is round. Capital R, small r is round. What is the difference? This is homozygous round. And this is heterozygous round. Okay, and what is this? This is homozygous wrinkle. Okay, commonly this is called a pure form. If it is homozygous, we call it pure. You know, I told you when pure monohybrid cross, when pure plants are crossed, and this is known as hybrid. This is known as hybrid. Mendel worked on plant hybridization. Is it clear? This is what is hybrid. So what are, again, let us come to the terms. The genes are alleles. A pair of gene is allele. A pair of gene is allele. Character is not allele. A pair of gene controlling a particular character is called allele. But here in Mendel's cross, whichever law we will explain, that will be basically on heterozygous, because then only we can explain the law. Is it all right? But it is not that it only happens with heterozygous. The laws are means on homozygous as well, but explanation can be, means the proof comes in dissimilar allele. Is it clear? A pair of genes said to be allele if they are controlling the same character. Is it clear? Dissimilar allele, the character is same but the form of the character are different. Is it all right? Okay, so the genes are called alleles, the pair of genes are called alleles. Clear? Okay, one gene is not called allele, a pair of genes is only called allele, and if they are controlling the same character. And what about homozygous and heterozygous? Here homozygous is the character, it is not the gene. Homozygous is not the gene. If we are round, is it clear? Round is homozygous, that means it is pure round. What is the meaning of homozygous round? That means the roundness is the pair of allele which are present are same. Is it all right? So we call it homozygous. Homozygous is the character. Round, heterozygous, that means what is the character? Round. Heterozygous means the pair, the allelic pair, is it clear, which is present, they are dissimilar. Dissimilar means one is round, another is wrinkle. So these two are alleles and this is a character. All right, here this is also a character. Is it all right? Okay, so this is what these are the terms we have to use. Now, when we see the plant, when we see this RNR, when we see this kind of seed RNR, what do we see? It is round. What do we see? This sound. So suppose I am given two seeds. Suppose I am given two seeds. All right. How do I know? Just by looking at it, how do I know which is RR or which is RR? Both are round, both are same. So how do I know? Is it clear? So this character which is present outside physically, all right, means the physical expression of an organism is called phenotype. Now I will be completing this particular sentence again. Phenotype, again I am coming to a new term, phenotype. Is it clear? Phenotype, what is phenotype? How does it look like? Is it all right? From outside, how does it look like? I don't know the genetic makeup of it. I don't know the genetic makeup of it. What do I know? That this is round, this is also round. So physically, देखने में दोनों both are round. So what do we call? This is known as phenotype. What is phenotype? The physical character, physical or the expressed character Now, this is not the complete definition. Genetically controlled. I'll explain this. You all have short hair, isn't it? Boys have short hair, is it clear? So if I see your hair, bahar se from what is the express character? I can see short hair. For all the boys, all right. So what is your phenotype? Your phenotype is short hair, no, your phenotype is not short hair.